Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Yamaha Royal Star 1300 Tour Deluxe. This bike has just a little under 22,200 miles on it and is in mint condition. We'll take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This Tour has got some excellent aftermarket goodies on it. They took the OEM windshield off and put this bat wing with the tinted windscreen, the highway lights. Front end is in excellent shape. It's got a great front tire on it. Radiator guard, air dams with highway pegs. It's got footboards for the driver, footboards for the passenger. It's got aftermarket bars on it and grips, along with the stereo, windshield bags, really nice 6x9 infinities, passenger backrest, bags with bar protectors. This bike also has Bub's pipes on it. They're kind of tucked in under the bag, so they're kind of hard to see. This bike will be getting a new back tire. Again, footboards for the driver and for the passenger. Highway pegs, heel toe shifter, air dam. Just a good looking cruiser. Alright. 22,139 is what's on it. This Royal Star will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.